4 parts. This is stalk. This is thalamus. The stalk is green in color and has slightly swollen head. This is called thalamus. This is sepals. This edges on the part towards the petals and have thin leaf-like structure is called sepals. This is petals. This is ovary. As we remove the petals, right of thalamus is seated with bulb-like structure is called ovary. This is stigma. It goes up ending somewhat flat bead-like structure is called stigma. This is style. It is a fun-tube-like structure is called style. These three parts are present in gynosium. Fistil towards the male part is called gynosium. This is anther. This is bulb-like structure at the top of each stamen attached to these petals is called anther. This is filament. It is a whitish thread-like structure is called filament. These two parts are present in androsium, male part towards stamen. Corolla, one androsium and one gynosium is called complete flower. Example, hibiscus flower. Second one, incomplete flower. A flower which has 4 or more whorls is missing an incomplete flower is called incomplete flower. Example, bitter gourd. Third one, unisexual flower. A flower which has either one androsium and one gynosium, stamen and pistil is called unisexual flower. Example, papaya flower. Fourth one, bisexual flower. A flower which has both androsium and gynosium, stamen and pistil is called bisexual flower. Example, datura flower. Third one, pollination. The process of pollen grains reaching the anther to the stigma is called pollination. Pollination has two types. First one, self-pollination. It transfers the pollen grains of take place within the flower is called self-pollination. Second one, cross-pollination. covers the pollen grains, anther of one flower to stigma of another flower is called cross pollination. Fourth one, fertilization. This is a fertilization diagram. This is pollen grains. This is pollen tube. This is ovary. Fusion of units male and female parts to form a structural zygote is called a fertilization. Next one, reproduction flow chart. Reproduction. Reproduction has two types. First one, sexual reproduction. Second one, asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction has two types. First one, male part. Second one, female part. Male and female part converts into zygote. Zygote forms seed. Seed forms new plant. Second one, asexual reproduction has three types. First one, buds. Second one, spores. Third one, vestigial part. Bud forms new plant. Spores forms new plant. Vestigial parts has three types. First one, root. Second one, stem. Third one, leaf. Root forms new plant. Stem forms new plant. Leaf forms new plant. Thank you giving this nice opportunity. Thank you one and all.